Okay, so this one probably won't be enough. I will have to make more. It has been working non-stop for like 8 hours. Later I will see how to properly automate it. Anyways, first I should start right away by making more of those. I already crafted one. And you know what? Let's repair 2 more. Okay, later I'm going to build those. Now, today I wanted to get all of the UEV stuff. But first, okay, first of all, I got 2 of those. One in the previous stream, one off stream. There was an issue with quests in this version. It's already fixed in the upcoming version. Basically, I need this to get this to get this, but to get this one, I need that one. Now I got this one, now I can unlock all the quests. Give me a moment. I'm going to make... maybe today I will get the Rim Link too. Soon I will get the Rim Link. I don't know how soon. Okay, first of all I want to get more amps. Oh, this one is UEV. Wait, 60. I can make the 4 amps. Oh, even 4 amps requires UEV. Okay, maybe next time. Oh no, wait, I can use this one. I can push this one onto UEV. Guys, so and first of all, here we need a transformer. Do I even have that kind of transformer? Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. Goodness, so this one outputs here. Please don't blow up. Now, let's screwdriver. Why do you say UEV Dreamlink is annoying? Oh, okay. UHV one has low range for my liking. I will think about it later. Now I'm going to get new energy hatches. I will need this one, and that one. Let's go here. Now, this one, molecular assembler, and then this. Assembler here. This one. Cable machine is this one. Then this. Oh, I don't. Okay, right now I don't even have this alloy, but soon I will. This one is 8 tax, and this one is 4. Here. Okay. Formula 1, Formula 8. And I don't have space for wire. Okay, this one. Okay. Pattern. Big one here. There. And this one too. This one, and good. Now, give me a moment. Okay, back now. I need another UEV energy hatch. Can I get the 4 amps one? Well, at this point, making 2 of those or 1 4 amp doesn't change. I wanted this one for the second. This one. Yeah, but this one is only 1 amp, so never mind. And it's already crafted, rip. Oh wait, something broken. That's crafted. Okay, I will use that one too later. Let's get another one of those. Will take a little bit. Okay, how does it not find the room for this one? How is it possible? Okay, that's rare, having all of those working at once. This one? This one still had trouble. Some point I didn't have this one enabled, so it messed up. Okay, should be working fine. Here, this one. Come on. All of those are working. Hellforge are really taking a lot of stuff. Here probably have the same issue. That was a problem I had a long time ago and never properly fixed. Is this one wrong too? I don't know. But I fixed. Okay. Now. Okay, one crafting, second crafting. We need a lot of this material. Now I think the pattern is like the wrong. Forest started, I may get something. Also, I should be crafting somewhere here. Let's try one of those. Oh. If I don't get this ingot, I can't even make the next tier of components. But whatever. Main objective is upgrading at least one EBF now, so that I can do the new thing. Okay, UEV energy hatch. Now, how do I get those to go up? Can I use like... How many energy hatches can I have? Can I do 3 or 1 and 2? Okay, what happens if I mix up this one? Okay, so this one is still UEV tier. Yeah, next tier UEV. This one will now be able to work. Doesn't work. Okay, now it can work the new material, but of course it doesn't get enough energy. And I guess I'm going to void whatever it's inside it. Let's see what I can do here. Whatever is going to void a little bit of things. Here. Can I still use the converter here? Is that the highest tier of converter? Yeah, that's the highest tier of converter. Okay, let's get this. This one too. 16. And this one. This one. Go. Also 2 more energy hatches. There. Yeah, I have those ingots constantly crafting, but my hellforge has been working non-stop for like 8 hours. I did manage to stock up a bunch of these, but it's nothing in it. Like, I only got this in 8 hours. In 8 hours, I only got this, which is nothing. So I'm going to have to do better. The cable here is the ancient thing here. I have a bunch. I have like 10k of those restocked. Regenerating. Shoot. Here. Okay, this one now finally works. Those ingots have been waiting for like 2 days. Now, UEV energy hatch. Yeah, I only had the time to make one hellforge. I'm crafting 3 more already. Also, I have to review the way I'm controlling it. Right now, I have the fuel inside the pattern, but I'm going to redo everything and redstone control it. Now, what's wrong with this? I think I might have messed up my things. Oh, all of those are working. Yeah, hellforges. I need more of those component assembly lines too. That's another thing. Yeah, so many of those. Okay, I'm going to pause this one for a moment. I have to get more of those component assembly lines. Component target, no, component assembly line. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get 24 more. It's going to be a chore, but should keep up for a long time. Also, UEV components require UV. Okay, so it's going to work. Yeah, I'm going to get more. Like, I just got the first one. Give me a moment to build more. I made that one yesterday. I didn't have had much time. Like, yesterday I made this one. Tomorrow morning I managed to get 1 hour to build that one. Give me some time, please. Don't have time to play. Maybe energy hatch. Okay, one. I need another one. Which is basically crafted. EVF here. I need a polonium for the quest that gains everything. Okay, good. And those two are going to help me close the quest loop. So polonium. This one. The green ingot. Why this one? Wait, am I making only one at a time? Heck. Okay. Okay, that kind of problematic. Well, those two are going to be clogged on this. So it's 1 ingot per minute, 2 ingots per minute I'm doing. To get 200, it will take just too long. Okay. Now I really want 1 ingot right away. So the plan is I'm going to remove all of this. I'm going to remove all of those. Okay. Whatever ingots have been done will be manually pulled. Wait, where is it? Polonium. This one. Stop quickly, quickly. Okay. Manually cool down those. Okay. I was afraid I had to upgrade vacuum freezers too, but I don't. Now am I getting... oh yeah, there. Okay, that unlocks many things. Now I need hellforge. I have already stuff for the next one here. Okay, I'm going to build it too. Okay, and then I have to complete those to get the quest updated, but I don't even have those ingots. Okay, I'm going to start making more of those meanwhile. So I think I'm going to have controllers facing this side, and on the back here I will do the automation. Now let's see, controller is most likely on this. I think here. Okay, it fits. Ugly, but it fits. No, wait. I'm going to shut off this one. Okay. Yeah, but for now, this one is the bottleneck. Vacuum freezers right now are not an issue. This one is more of a problem. Now question is, how do I manage those? On the back here I have a little bit of space. Well, those blocks are probably not the issue. Like, I kind of would like to wall share it, but I don't know how I want to do this. This one is going to have to deal with the others too, so okay, I wanted this one to finish crafting whatever it's crafting, and I'm going to redo all of the patterns without fuel later. Yeah, I'm going to remove the fuel. I will review those patterns. Like, it's way too slow the way it's working now. I left it working all of the day. It didn't get anything valuable really. Just a little bit of stuff to get started, but I need way more. So, okay, I need this one to shut off. Perfect. Like, I think it was just fully heated. Oh. I can't wait for the 64 amps energy hatch, but well, I mean, it's going to be a bigger deal when I will be upgrading it later. I mean, I'm going to need more later regardless. So for the moment, I'm just going to build more. Later, I will get all of those overclocked together. Here, this one. Okay. Wait, are those two different? Oh, those are two different blocks. Okay, extreme. Does that one form? Okay, first of all, I want this one to form again. So let's get it back in place. It's going to have two networks. One for ingredients, one for main A2. Now, three networks actually. There is going to be another network. I will explain. Basically, one is for fuel, one for stuff that has to be crafted, one is the output. And then I also need energy hatches. Maybe I can have energy up there. Hopefully it works. I think I'm... Okay, this one. And it doesn't form. Why? Stocking input, hatch. Why does this one not form? Okay, formed. I must have broken one extra block. Now it's fine. Okay, we'll see how to manage fuel, etc., etc. soon. Now, this one must go 2 blocks into that direction. Here. That one. Okay, I think it's alright. I don't have anything that could do wrongdoings. Now, let me finish it, and then I will try to connect it up. Here. Also, I will probably want more of those. Here, I have blocks in there too. Here. And those. Okay. Okay, there are 2 missing blocks here, but soon. Now, to make it kind of symmetrical, I'm going to remove those. And I don't want to run out of blocks here. So this one. Then UEV. No, UHD energy hatch. Here. This one. And hatch. 2 stocking, 1 output. That's 4. Oh, I forgot maintenance. This one I want that. Please don't take too much. Okay, this one was completed. Those will be done later. Vending machine has issues, but kind of new. Oh, wait, I know. Okay, no. The issue with vending machine is that it's sharing power with another machine. I have to fix that now. I didn't know I was going to need so many hellforges, so I never bothered fixing it. Okay, and then we'll see how to automate those two. And later I will get more. Now, first of all, remove this one. Single magmada. No. Okay, now. Wait. Oh yeah, the compressor. That one was a problem. So finish this. Finish that. I should get UHV to those machines, but not needed. I don't want to rewire everything. I want to upgrade this stuff to wireless. I want to do the jump to wireless here. Okay, this one is done. This one is done. Now, remove all shared hatch. It's going to have one here. And one probably here. Perfect. Melodic here. And I think I would like this cable to be more like that, so I can fit more inputs if I need. Okay, good. I also have to make more of the component assemblers if I want to get more hellforges. But slowly I have many things to do. Okay, this one cannot work. Then, I want to quickly get the automation set it up for the hellforges. So, I'm going to do a subnetwork, I'm going to do everything. Wireless. Here, this one will be for fuel. Okay, this one is the hellforges fuel. Now, I need wireless linker. Wireless here. Fuel will be this one. Here. And then here. Okay, in the future I will use different fuels. Also, I don't want this one to buffer really. For the way those machines works. Oh wait, I already did one thing I don't like. I forgot that I have to only insert fuel. I have multiple ideas. Also, I want a system that stops everything if I ever run out of fuel. But one thing at a time. First of all, I need the thing to check things. Redstone variadic interface. This one. I never made it. Time to get one. EV assembler. What are those things? Okay, assembler. Molecular assembler. Assembler. Okay. That one done. Assembler. Assembler. Molecular assembler. Then this one. Assembler. No. This one. Assembler. Molecular assembler. Okay, assembler. Maybe I could use a lower tier assembler. Okay, molecular assembler was for those three. If I can use a lower tier low tier assembler would be best. Yeah, this one can do those things. It's maybe slow all through. This one is even slower. This one is IV. Let's have some of this in there. Okay, hopefully it will work out. Now, I think I forgot one thing. This plate. Cutting machine. Cutting machine. The machine is here. Is this one working? I did move a bunch of patterns the other day to split clean room from the other one. I don't know if it worked. Okay, everything clean. It should be working. Okay, now can I get the variadic? Two of those. Yes. Go. Okay, how long will this take? This is low tier stuff. It should be quick. Alright. There's one. Come on. So redstone will probably be... Okay, maybe it's not that easy. Because I want it to be a little bit particular. Here, okay. Okay, I got the first one. Here. This one, click here to select if any. Oh, cool. Let's go percentage to nana. Come on. This one, okay. Now, I'm not sure. No, I think it's quite obvious, actually. Can I just... Okay, what happens? Oh, not 0. So it gives a full redstone. Is there a way of having inverted logic? So it gives 0 redstone when it's basically off. I want this one to connect and disconnect. So do I not have the toggle? I had bad experiences with this one, but I want to try it again. No, wait. Here. This one. Molecular assembler. I'm out of slots in the molecular assembler, but whatever. Toggle bus. Sure to get started. Now, the idea is that depending on redstone, I will toggle this one, if you will. Redstone. So percentage 2. 0 means it's off, 16 means full power. Can I have this one to toggle? No, wait, the proper way. Oh, true, in this version you can do that. Okay, can I not set the redstone strength required? I need this one to connect only when redstone is 16, basically. So. Only when redstone is 16, I want it to work. There is a tiny gate, this one, XOR T flip-flop RS, or not, no. I don't want to do comparators or other things. I never really use comparators in Minecraft. I have no idea how this works, I never used it. So, which one is the input? No. Subtractor. Oh wait, maybe I need a subtractor actually. 0. Okay. No. Wait, this one is okay. If I do this, still full. This. It's not subtracting anything. Yeah, I'm figuring out now how this one works. So subtractors, 14 in, 14 out. If I add something here, okay. 14 minus 15, 0, I think. Is that how it works? How do I make this one loss? No? I need a full block. No, that's not how it works. I'm too much used that. What's for? Okay. 13, okay, 14 minus 13, perfect. But is that a full binary logic? Oh, sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, this one instead is either 1 or 0. Okay. So, if this one makes 15... Oh, comparators cannot go on walls. I really like red power. So, I'm going to compare this one to... Okay, that's lame. That's so lame. Here, like this. Okay, that way it's going to shut off at 15. Wait. What happens if I do 16 against 16? Does this one output? Oh yeah. And if it is 14, it doesn't output, right? No, it works. It works. At which point does it shut off? That's not how it works. Oh wait, is the input on the side? So if I do this... Okay, I have no idea how this thing works. Subtractor. Which way does it subtract? Okay, I'm starting to think that maybe it doesn't take input from torches. Yeah, okay, it doesn't take input from torches. Is that the issue? Let's see. Here. Works. If I do it one block longer. Okay, kind of got how it works. It doesn't work with torches. This one must be slightly lower. So I can do comparator input on the back. So do I need a piece of redstone for it to work? I started to think that I need this redstone for it to work. I would like to do... Oh, but I can't have the reds. Wait, does this work? No. This one is in the way now. Okay. Let's do this, and which block can I use for the stuff? Brick. Don't ask me why brick. First thing that came to my mind. I don't want to use cobblestone because I could easily do a mess if I remove things. Well, this one here, this one here. Here's the torch. Comparator. At this point I could even do subtractor. And I'm not going to use a toggle boss, but an inverted toggle boss at this point. Okay. Now. This one here. Here's the wireless for fuel. And then here. Okay, does that... I don't like it like this. Okay, it looks slightly better. So whenever this one is 15, it should disconnect it basically. Yeah, when this one is 15, this one should disconnect, if I'm not lost. To test it, first I will need... Wait. This one will be fuel. Let's try to test it. I have to set up the thing. So this one is recipes. Okay. Now let's get a bunch of cables. Quartz fiber. This one. Okay, this one is for the recipes input. This one was the fuel already set it. This one is the output. So Output will go to main network here. Then main network here. Fuel goes here. And input goes here. Okay. Now, here I will need something else to avoid wasting fuel. So, for now I'm going to use a lever. No. I'm going to use a toggle with the... I would like a RS latch. Or flip flop. No, RS latch. Yeah. One of my favorite gates. Is there also a state cell maybe? Whatever, RS latch will do. Theoretically, I'm lost. Maybe not. Let me think about it. Okay, fuel. Which one is R? Which one is set? Which one is which? Okay, so I want this set. No, but the state cell work differently. Which other latches do I have? I need a normal latch, not an RS latch. Because set latch. So one is basically I want this thing to. It has to be work. This thing has to always work. Whenever my fuel level goes too low, it will stop working until I manually turn it back on. That was my idea. Now, yeah, maybe I should. Yeah, let's add that into the description. So, I'm not too sure about this latch. Oh, come on. Here. Also. Interface. Okay, crafting network needs this stuff, so it gets out of my inventory too. What's fiber? Here. Interface, this one. Okay, soon I will see what patterns to throw in. Now, this one for the fuel. First of all, I want to filter which fuel it gets. Maybe I could use a tank so I get a better view too. Maybe I can use even one of those. Storage. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. This one is way too much. That's a good tank. Don't remember the name of the tanks. The tanks from... Don't remember in a mod. Did not mod the name. Whatever. Storage, interface. This one will be extract only. I pray. No, I want some kind of buffering here. I'm afraid it will cause too much lag. No. Yeah, I have other places that cause more lag, but whatever. This one, how much fluid does this one have? Okay, how much capacity? Whatever. This one is used to craft that one. Fluid cell. That was the thing. I was thinking of this one. Okay. Extract only on the sides. Whatever. Here. Want auto input. Here. Interface. Okay, that fluid is called the flame, that thing. Okay, it's already working, good. That. Now this one is not working yet. Good. Why is it offline? Okay, because this one is offline. This one is an inverted bus. This one is normal. Now this RS latch. I have to remember how it works. Okay, let me play with this a little bit. This one. Since when does redstone do that? I remember redstone doing like around the thing. Like I remember redstone without connection doing a single circular pile, not this thing. I may be making it up. I don't know. At this point, I got lost. Lever. So this one is a simple. So this one sets, stays on. When you get this one, okay, that's how it works. That can do the thing I need. So this set is on the left. I don't know if it is, if it can be flipped, how easily. And I want my gates to be on different bricks. So I know I don't have to break those. This one here, I will reach as soon. Okay, set will be a button. Button. Oh, okay, you can click it, cool. I will do that soon. Stone button here. I have I think PTSD. No, I'm joking. I have trauma from GTNH. Like making a button in GTNH requires like 2 springs, a cutting machine, 20 machines to make a button in GTNH. I'm still scared. I mean, it makes sense, but it's annoying. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that is what I was thinking about. Okay, cool. So if I click this one, it sets, but then I want, like, I'm afraid, like I have this thing passively restocked. I'm afraid of running out, crafting one bucket, it goes into the furnace, it gets burnt, but it doesn't get heat hot enough, so it shuts off, and it loses heat. Another bucket gets crafted, goes in, burns, not enough, shuts off. Like, I want to prevent that effect. So if I ever run too low on this, I want those to just shut off until I turn it back on. I don't want to end in a loop where it keeps burning without doing anything. So when I go below 100 buckets, it probably already what I want. Okay, so if I push this button, it should start heating up. But there is another issue, which is that I also want to toggle this one. Like, I want this one to only work when I actually have ingredients. So how do I do a level emitter that depends on do I need an inverter car? How does it? I don't remember how it works. I want it to provide the redstone when there is anything inside it. Right, probably it's easier if I... Okay, now if I insert a bucket of water, it doesn't work. How do I make it so it turns on when there is any fluid inside? Hidden fluid can be dragged. Okay. Okay, 1. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. Thanks. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Okay. Now, emit one level. Well, here it just depends. Doesn't really change. Just change it. Okay, this one. The only thing is that this one should. has to match this one. So like this off because it's off. Yeah, I think I want to go with this logic. So here. Okay, so theoretically I can click here and nothing happens. I mean, it stays on. How do I tell if this one is connected or not? Oh. Okay, let's do a test. If I put this bucket in here, it should turn on, please. Please. It doesn't. How do I tell which bus is not connected? Okay, let's see. Turn. Wait. This one is offline. Oh, okay, it doesn't have energy. I thought it was on the main network. I forgot it was on a second network. So most likely here. Turns on, turn on, turn on, turn on, turn on. Doesn't work. Okay, online. Okay, those two are online. This one is online, but it's still not working. Does this one not work? Oh, okay, I cannot see the fluid. That is because that. Can A2 not see this tank? Is that the issue? Okay, I'm going to complain this tank. That must be the issue. Oh, come on. Okay, this tank, not something I like. So, okay, output. Good. Reset. How do I reset it? Whatever. Now. Another is there a tank that is smaller than this one but shows up its fluid and can be... Okay, I'm going to try this one. Okay, but it doesn't pull. Yeah, this one is too small too. Yeah, I guess. Well, I had 15k. I'm level maintaining 10k. So it's going to fill up this one and then it will be left over. Okay. Pump. Here. There. Perfect. Does it work? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I think it's not working. Let's check again. Okay, now I can see it here. I was using the fluid cell like 10 seconds ago. It didn't work. A2 could not... Storage bus on fluid cell did not work. I don't know why. I tried to quickly play with it. It didn't work. Hi, thanks. Okay. The fluid is now here. Why does it not work? The issue now is the furnace. Does it not heat up if it... Don't tell me that this was all excessive because it doesn't turn on if it doesn't have items inside. Like, why does this one not start heating up? I thought it was going to burn fuel even with no ingredients. Oh, okay. I know why it doesn't have energy. I forgot to finish connecting things up here. This one. Yep. Connect. Okay, it's now wasting fuel. Perfect, it's wasting fuel. And if I remove this bucket of water, this one should disconnect and this one shuts off. Perfect. The only thing I have to test is if it actually stops when the redstone reaches the level. So let's see. Hellforge. This one. Okay, at this point I'm going to do all of the patterns. Eventually we'll need all of those. Also, I doubt blocking mode probably is not required here. I don't think any of those could possibly conflict, but I have no idea. I'm just guessing. I will get this. No, I want to keep this stuff in my inventory. I will need it soon. Okay, let's get all of those patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I'm going to multiply those at least a little bit. Yeah. It's going. I'm not going to use blocking mode, so it doesn't really matter that much how much you multiply. Now, let's say I want to craft this the blue ingot. I needed blue ingots. Go. Okay. Perfect. Instantly, as soon as I threw things in, it started heating up. Now, I want to see when it reaches full temperature. When I reach full temperature, this one should disconnect the fuel line, theoretically. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now. Okay, something happened. Okay, perfect. I think it works. I think it works. Should work. Okay. And now all is left to do is to make more. Make more and have to copy paste this little thing. Okay, that messed up a couple of things. So, star, this one go. I changed some patterns, so I'm going to restart everything as usual. Here, here, here. This one, this one, this one, this one. I just restart everything every time. Okay, this, this, this. I don't know which one of those needs to be restarted, which one not, but one, this one, this one. Okay, should be perfect. Now more hellforges. 2 more. Go. To make those, I need a lot of UHV components. I already prepared component assembly lines to speed it up, but building those is a little bit annoying. So first, let's turn on this one. Now, stellarium cable. Yeah, I was wondering too if building gadget is going to work with the redstone. I'm going to try. I have no idea. Copy. So, I'm going to try from here. Oh, wait, it's better. Okay, on this file, from this firebox to here. Paste. So I clicked here. Let's see. Oh, nice. I think I didn't have the other comparator. Okay. Oh, it's so easy to get redstone torches here. I'm used that GTNH. Okay, let's try again. Okay, it doesn't copy HU cables, but I think the redstone logic is fine. Okay, now this one was already started. I need cables toggle here. I need one inverted in front. Okay, on top of this one. Okay, then here, here, here. Okay, is that it? I have to do this. Then this one is main network. Recipes here, fuel here. Okay, it's not working. Oh, okay, it's working. Don't know why it took so much. Yeah, I don't understand why. I don't understand why, how building gadgets work on GregTech but not HU. Like, I'm wondering how Wu integrated GregTech and not HU. I thought HU was more famous than GregTech, but then again, probably I would guess that only GregTech players use HU. Most people probably use refined storage. I have seen many memes about it. Thing is that as far as I know, refined storage can't do this kind of stuff. It's not. Oh, maybe I need blocking mode because of too many fluids. That's a total mess. The issue is, okay, the issue here is that there could be a nasty thing happening here. 1, 2, 3. So, like if I get those 4 fluids and not this one. Like if I always get those 4 first and not this one, there couldn't be enough fluids for a recipe and it could get stuck due to recipes blocking each other. So maybe I should use blocking mode. Yeah, probably it's safer to use blocking mode for that reason. Okay, now. Okay, so those two are working fine. Now. Yeah, I have no idea. But I mean, it copy pasted the redstone. You can't even place redstone in air, yet it managed to do it. I think building agents having. Yeah, true. This one is taking items from my A2 network. So it even has the integration to take items from A2. It doesn't have the integration to build the A2 cables. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, now I have 2 different EBFs. 2 different of those furnaces working. Cool. This one is connected, right? Yep, it's connected. Good. So it will always keep those properly heated. Now, priority now is building more of those furnaces, but I can't do that really. Yeah. I need more of those components to build more of those. Also, those LCRs are having trouble. Linking to wireless. Yeah, I'm already pulling items from HU. Wait, if it has already with HU, but yeah, okay. My issue with building gadgets is that it doesn't place cables or other HU parts. Yeah, that's my complaint, but it's alright. I mean, it would be cool if it worked, but I mean, the answer is always when someone. The answer is the answer is always if I really want it, I should get into modding it myself. That's the proper answer. So I know that. I appreciate what the devs did. It's good the way it is. I'm just saying I would like it. Like I feel like I have to say something. I don't want to be idling silently in my stream. Like I have to say things, so I say whatever comes to my mind. Okay, now. Am I going to copy paste just all of this like that from here all of the way down there? I could copy paste the data banks too. But nah. Let's do it like this. Okay, 16. Do I have here? Actually, energy hatch. I have enough. What else could I be missing? Should be fine. Okay, that sounds. Yeah, the rotation like that is not good. Thing is that I have no idea how many of each machines I'm going to do. So this is like the road of the new machines, and then whenever I need more, I will going sideways. So I do not have the controller like that. Now I will have to put... Well, I think I can just move the controller, but then again, to make those handshake, I will need the controller. Oh no. Yeah, no, I can't get the controller inside there. It's too annoying. I mean, I could use the traveler thing to get inside there, but I'm not going to bother. Also, I was thinking maybe some weird way I could build those like sideways with the hands in hand thing, really. Like if I made those, I don't know how to draw it. Basically, flip this one like that, flip that one like this, and have their like make this one on the top with the hand which catches this hand, like trying to pull it up. Yeah, I could make a ceiling, have this one built upside down on the ceiling, holding hands with this one, and then remove the floor and make it look like this one is being held up by the top one. Okay, that could be really cool. That could be an idea for the video, building two hellforges like that. Okay, I will think about it. It could be an idea. Yeah, maybe I could make like a hole in the ground. I could make a hole in the ground. Half of the hellforge under the ground, the other half being pulled up by a second hellforge. It could be. Yeah, there is some potential. I will think about it. Okay, anyways. I was working on this. Okay, those are all of the ingredients required. So stop now. Paste, it should be... I'm going to keep two spaces. The alignment is correct, go. Okay. And two spaces again. I should be able to do 4 rows now. Do those have perfect overclock or anything? Where are the controllers? I should have 8 more. There. Something, it doesn't have a perfect overclock. And here. Okay, did I run out of anything? Oh, the data. Okay, I think I put the data things in the pattern. All of those are formed. Really good. Okay, it's out of input hatches. I could use better one. Okay. Okay, now I have to finish all of the cabling. Well, while the hellforges work. Like, maybe I'm not going to finish this. Just getting a second line working will be good enough, probably. And maybe I should try to P2P the inputs. Instead of using those, I should probably try to P2P. P2P, I got told the P2P items work with blocking mode. Does it? Like, instead of doing that, can I have a P2P? Can I have a provider on a P2P? P2P on interface, and then does blocking mode work this way? I have no idea. I could do a quick test, but I'm lazy. Yeah, it's very safer. Okay, I'm not going to have to add that many things, so it's very safe. It's very safer to just keep going this way. Also data. Okay, let's get more of those. More of those. Bunch of data banks. Computer, I have enough. Oh, vents. Okay, let's get a bunch of vents. Go. Yeah, exactly. P2P. Yeah, I too thought P2P was a tunnel. I remember someone telling me that, so I hoped it worked, but I don't know. I don't like this too much. Okay, I'm going to do this here. That could be something I could do off stream. Yeah, that's probably something I should be doing off stream instead of here. So, I have to check how it's doing the thing that is supposed to be making. Yeah, that's something I should do off stream. Meanwhile, those are still like if it is really needed, I'm going to do it. Okay, yeah, I really need it. I'm going to set up one line, the other two I will do those off stream. How long do those take? Oh, it's the old machine. You can just send items through. Yeah, I had that guess too. Those are all formed, right? Yeah. Now, storage. Let's start setting up all of the storages. Here. Oh, but I wanted to copy. Yeah, okay. Once I get the copy paste card, I want to paste all of the storages. Here. Also, I should do some. That's not going to help lag-wise. I don't know what could be the main lag issue. There is a mod already installed, I think, to check what causes lag. I should use it, but I don't know too many things. I don't know how to check lag in this pack, but that's something I may do off stream. Mostly, if I had to guess, yeah, I don't even know what could be the cause of lag. Like, there isn't a machine I spammed that much. I removed like half of the fusion reactors earlier on. It didn't really do anything. So I don't know what could be the issue. Yeah, GTNH matter manipulator is so good. One of the best things ever. Here. Here. This one. Okay, here I need quadruple. Let's fix those. Here, here. Okay, all formed, good. Here. So many things. Okay, that one was probably the last one. Okay, now copy paste. That's going to be a lot of copy pasting. Hopefully those will be enough for the rest of the game. Let's start with storage bottom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's one. There's one. There's one. Here, here, here. Here, this one has, yes. Here, 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 here. But if I had to guess, I would say that lag is caused by the auto pulling hatches. I think those hatches do extra checks, but then again, I'm just trying to randomly guess. Here, here, here. There's one. 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 Here, 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 here. Okay, third one. My hellforges are crafting blue ingots, right? Oh, I do have enough. So I could already start working on better things. I'm already doing this. I'm going to finish priorities, then I'm going to start working on UEV parts. And if I get stuck, I will go back into building those machines here. here. It's just that I don't want to forget how far I was with the priorities. I want to at least finish those priorities at this point, so I don't get lost. Here, there's one, there's one, there's one. Here, 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 here. Okay, midway. I have just built full. Well, you won't need that many assembly lines. You only have to do. I would guess it's like 100 at most in the wall pack. Because it's only. I think I can do it with those plus those. Uh, if you don't like doing that, there is another way of doing this kind of automation. But it's a little bit more convoluted. I did not like it and I rather did that way. You can use a Tom storage. I don't remember exactly how. No, wait. There are some people who explained it. If you go check on their Discord, it probably better explained than whatever I could do. Another way probably at this point is just using rectech pipes. In Nomi Factory, I automated assembly lines using rectech pipes. Rectech pipes also have a distance priority. That was on 1.12, so I'm not too sure about this version of rectech. There's one. There's one. There's one. Here. 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 Okay. What is ham? Tell me what is ham. I have no idea what that is. What does ham stand for? Here. Here. This one. This one. Here. This one. Here. 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 There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Oh no, I didn't get it. I think it's locked slightly further where I am. I still have to get the quest for. Okay, finally done. Okay, now I'm going to start working on UEV parts. Yeah, here it's gated by those coils. I don't know how many coils I'm going to need, but this material is annoying to get. Yeah, no, this material, I will need more hellforges and I will need to leave those running a couple of days before I get this, probably. No, maybe not. I don't know. I need more hellforges first. Okay, this stuff is still processing. Okay, may as well at this point I finish the setup so I can get the hellforges and speed up things. This one, this one, this one. Here, here, here. Okay, maybe this is something I could do one row at a time, so I can start getting stuff done. Yeah, also soon I will get more patterns for those. Before I copy paste those, I should get the new patterns. Yeah, totally. Here, here, this one. And then all of the data cables too. Here. Okay, I'm going to fix data connections. Here, 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 here. This one. Data. This one. Transmission. So it's going to be like. No. Is that? Should be like that. 2, 3. Okay. Here, 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 here. And 1, 2, 3. Computer. There's one. There's one. Here. Here. Okay. And I'm going to need data. data in, data out. Okay, power casings, maintenance, and use energy hatch. Energy melodium. Here. Okay. Now I need optical fiber. Okay, first of all, there's one here. This one is a reception, right? Yeah. And now I have to connect all of it. And that will get the first working line. 1, 2. I mean second working line. First of the new. 1, 2, 2, 2. Now here, 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 here. One more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here. Done. This one. Here. This one. Here. Okay. This one. Here. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do the others off stream probably, but I need the one liner right away. We'll do more. I will finish up the others off stream, but I really want this one to start working. That's going to really double my crafting speed. I mean, I could be preparing other things, but if I also have to do UEV parts, those will get too many things to do. So I may as well start doing this right away. Okay. Here. Then this one, 3 left. On. Here. 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 This one. Here. This one, and finally that one. Okay, that's the last one I'm going to do on stream. And then I'm probably going to prepare patterns for all of the future things too. So we'll never have to. Oh, this one was not needed. Ah, whatever, I may do one extra someday. Probably not. Okay, now pattern 1. Oh, cables. This one. What's fiber? Okay, so I need quartz fiber here everywhere. Okay. Let's do it symmetrical. So like this. Oh, okay, I got it. Well, whatever, at this point I'm not going to change it all. Theoretically that should work out. And then I also have to get energy, but that's basically nothing to do. Here. 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 This one here. Cables here. Okay. Last cable here, and then I'm going to get all of the new patterns. There. Now. Okay. This machine. Okay, which patterns did I not do? Okay, at this point I'm going to just prepare all of the patterns. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Some of those can be multiplied. Here, 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 here. Okay, that should be every single pattern. Now, I forgot energy. Then I'm going to set up all of the patterns, and then I'm going to research new stuff. I cannot click properly. Come on. Okay. Now let's try to fix this ugly cable. Here, here, here. And this one, this one, this one. Here, 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 here. Okay, converter. UHV. Wait, was one enough? Are those capable of working all together? How? Isn't it 16 amps each? We should be getting more energy than this. I think it's only half amp each. Okay, those recipes are all half amp. That's why it can work. Here, point, but still going to put two of those here. Okay. Now, I don't want to figure out which ones are duplicated. I'm just going to throw all of those into the trash can, and then I will get new ones. Yeah, I think it could be done with P2Ps maybe, but someone told me not, so I don't know. I'm not going to bother. Now, I want to multiply those to get better efficiency. This one can be multiplied by 8. This one can be multiplied by 2. This one can be multiplied by 8. Heck, so many circuits. Even inside this plate, there are going to be circuits. I'm trying to figure out what's the maximum. This one can be multiplied two times, otherwise it overflows. This one can be multiplied 2 times. 2 times. This one can be multiplied 8 times. This one can be multiplied even more times. 16 times for this one. This one 8. This one I think 16. Like the other one, the bigger thing is only 4. This one. Yes, I can copy, but since I'm going to copy paste those 30 times, I may as well get all of the patterns, so I won't have to recopy every time I get new patterns. This one can be multiplied 4 times. No, here 4 times. No, wait, 16. I got lost. Those things can be multiplied 8 times. This one can be multiplied. Those are 2. Those are 4. Those are 8. Those are 16. Okay, yeah, when I get UAV, I will think about it. Thanks for the tip. This one, 16 is the biggest multiplier. I think it's here. No? Where is this stuff? 16. It's here. Yeah. Okay, this one, 8 goes with those. This one, biggest thing, 32 can only be multiplied one time. This one, 32 goes here. This one, 16 goes here. This one is 8 can go here. All of those have 8 as maximum. I'm looking at the highest count. This one, 32. Where was 32? 16, 8, 4 here. I got lost. This one is 8. Hopefully it won't. Well, if it doesn't craft, I will see a CPU blocked. This one, 32 goes here. This one, 6. This one behaves like 8. So here. This one, 16 goes with those. Okay, now I'm going to insert this stuff. Now, pattern multiplier. Okay, those two can be multiplied 16 times because they have 4 as smaller thing. Okay, I see 64. 64. Perfect. Here. Then all of those have 8. I can bump this onto 64. Okay, all of those now have something with 64. Okay. Those only 2 times because they have 16. 32. 64. Okay. This stuff has 32, so only 1 time. And now it's on 64 or 48. Okay. Here. This one was already done. This thing. 8. 8. Wait, is that the same? Okay, what the heck am I doing here? So this one is first done with this recipe probably. Here, this one is 4. But this one is 8. This one is 4. This one has some 24. 32 goes with 24. This one, biggest amount is 4. Okay, I want it like this. 4 as highest count. 8, 32. Okay, this one, 32. This one, 8. This one, 4. This one, 32. And this one is 2 only. Okay. So, this one is now 4. Those are 4. Now all of those have 8 as biggest ingredient. All of those are now on 16. Oh wait, I forgot to click. 16, 32, and 64. Okay. Here, perfect. Did I do any duplicate? Doesn't look like it. Okay, now copy paste. Oh, I'm going to need more of those. Copy, and I'm going to paste this stuff all up. Yeah, I was thinking about toggle buses, but that's going to cause too much lag. It's not worth the effort, it's not worth the lag, and I think if those craftings go too fast, it's going to get messed up. I had a weird idea with toggle buses too, but I really think it's going to backfire. It can be good. No, I think that kind of setup really never is never worth it. Unless you have to manage like 100 storage buses, setting up 100 priorities will be too annoying. And no, but even then, you'll like setting the storage priority is more annoying than copy pasting the patterns. So thing is that I can't use the auto pull hatches. If I could use the auto pull hatch instead of the ULV input, I could do some way better things. But anything with redstone is going to cause lag, especially with machines turning on and off. Oh, this one is almost done. Cool. Then I probably messed up the patterns for this stuff right now. So I'm going to restart everything as usual, and then I'm going to start preparing all of the things that needs to be scanned. I also have to get the new motors, etc, etc, etc. Here, 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 here. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Like, the toggle bus setup is fun to set it up, but it's going to be fun to think on how to make it work. It's going to be fun debugging it, but it's going to halt my progress and too much effort. Yeah. Yeah, I should test. I should do a couple of tests with the P2P. I should test the P2P, but then again, I think it could have a couple of issues. Safest way is what I did. Now, this one, good. Mitric and Magmada. Oh, I didn't get this one either. Mithril. I still didn't get Magmada. Okay, please, no. Stop moving. Come on. Okay, and if I... Okay, I can't or... Okay, figure out a way. What is this thing which keeps moving? I can't figure out what's the things that keeps moving. Oh, it's Titanite reach. Yeah, I should have done more subnetworks for this thing. This stuff. Is this one even working or is it stuck? It's injection mixers. I think I only have this one and it's rather slow. But whatever. I have to change my battery. Maybe I should use the UHV battery instead of this one. But the charge lasts quite a bit. Okay, so Magmada crafting. Then I have already done this. Nyan thing. Can I get an ingot? That one is not hellforge, right? This one is fusion reactor, right? Nope. Oh, that one is the one that can get the parallel at least. But it's still going to take... Yeah, I don't need this one. I rather get this one. Those are slowly working. Oh, cool. How many turbines do you have? Okay, hardcore, this one is working. 16 amps, HP. Okay, can't do too much to upgrade it. Okay. Is this one crafted in the same machine too? Oh, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will have to do 50% more. Okay, at some point. Now, with 2 millions, is the UV dynamo enough? Okay, so I can use one of those for each turbine, but I have to give more energy to the pipe between transformers, I guess. Okay, that's a reference point, thanks. Now, hellforge is the main objective, but I can start preparing the scan for all of the UHV things. Now, let's see if I can get all of the parts. So, I can scan things up. There's one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There's one. There's one. Come on. UEV. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. There's one, there's one, there's one. Okay, what am I missing? This one? Why do I not see? There is one missing here. Okay, first of all, this one is not crafting. Like this. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay, why is this one so slow? Is it stuck somehow? Okay, no, it's working. Okay, and this thing, which is a catalyst core. Well, let's start scanning those. I don't remember which one. Coil. I already have the coil. I already did the UV energy hatches. I already have the coil. Okay, it's DNA disk. Okay, this one requires a little bit. Do I not have a quadra level maintained? I thought I was maintaining a quadra. Is that it? Yeah, maybe I should increase na quadra. Na quadra, na quadra, na quadra. Here. Let's keep 100k na quadra. There. We'll take its time. Okay. Research station. Should I get more computers? Still didn't get this one. Maybe I should get more computers. Yeah, but another floor wouldn't do much of a difference. Yeah, I will need many computers to do a difference now. Like, if I double those, it's going to be only twice the speed. And it's not that slow. Okay. Come on. Okay, this one is finishing. Rutitium. I can speed it up by sending more of this into ABSs. It should be a low tier alloy, considering what it oh, americium. Okay, americium, I didn't see it. Okay, trying to do a huge batch. Okay, second one done. This one. One. Okay, this one should quickly complete. Let's check. Okay, all of those are. Can't wait for the. Yeah, I have to check the multi-block, the mega block. This one. Oh yeah, okay, I needed this thing, but. Okay, I don't. So I need more power. What's the worst part in all of that? Probably this. Coils. Oh yeah, you can use whatever coil you want. So I could use any coil I want. Yeah, okay, this is copper nickel. I thought it was the Magmada coil. Magmada looks like copper nickel, probably. I don't know, I'm just guessing. So it doesn't look that like what's preventing me from getting this one? Yeah, it's just those parts. Kala. This one. Okay, I need this one first. I have to upgrade the EBFs before I can get anything. So, what do I have to scan? Alloy glass smelter, makes sense. Okay, soon at some point. Then I will also have to scan all of those later. So, let's start with motor also. This. Okay, motor, then this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This one again. Okay, many things to be scanned. But I would like to finish with this stuff before starting with the other one. Okay, this one is done. Good. Next one. Working. Those are not quests. Those are not quests, right? Yeah, I don't see the quest for recompense. GTNH is a little bit annoying with those quests sometimes. Sometimes GTNH wants you to show too many things. Okay, now this, 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 this. Regulator not needed. I think I'm missing, yeah, this one. 8 parts. It should be 8 parts. So once I get this one, it should be good. One. Okay, good. Data, there are more. UEV. Okay, I already prepared the patterns for those. I have to make the patterns for those later. Okay, those two left. Then I'm going to make the patterns for this stuff while later is coming. Yeah, exactly. GTNH has a really beautiful quest book for the explanations, but it... Okay, the first time it's not an issue, probably. The second time or so on that you replay GTNH, quests start becoming annoying because you have to shoot the quest book, and they even made it better. Like, many years ago, the quest book of GTNH wanted to see you craft the bricks for the brick blast furnace inside a crafting table. It was not even enough to have the bricks in your inventory. And I think it was also glitched with some crafting station. It didn't work. I don't remember. It was many years ago. They fixed it. They did fix it, so okay. Also, I will need more mixers. I really need more mixers. How much zircon? Yeah, okay, it's keeping 100k. Sometimes I use it, so it has to restock. Okay, there's one. Is that the last one? No. The one after this one is the last one. Meanwhile, hellforges. Oh, I got one hellforge already. I can go build it. But at this point, I'm going to finish for this one. Maybe the other one will get ready in the meantime. Okay, that's the last part for the components. This one, it's crafting 2 of those, so it will take a little bit. Now, hellforges are all of the way here. This one, just checking, it's still working. Copy. Can I do something like from here to So I clicked here. I think I clicked here. Okay, good. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's the correct contraption. Meanwhile, a research station is probably done. I can start working on the next step. Okay, this one here, and now I can start researching this. I'm afraid of throwing my battery into the research station. But whatever. All of that goes here. This one is... Okay, this one belongs here. There. And can probably start testing if... Yeah, I have to make all of those. GTNH is nice because you can bookmark those things. Here I have to manually look those up. Should have paid attention when I made the patterns. But nothing is lost. Okay, actually, while I make this, I'm going to do a couple of the patterns. So let's start from those. This one I need that one. Good. This one I need this one, this one, this one, this one. This one needs already marked this one, that already marked it. This one here, here. Okay. That was this one. This one. Rod already marked. Already marked. This one. Okay, that is the. I'm afraid of this. Hopefully, it won't be too much of a nightmare. Okay. That thing. Screw. Double plate. Is. Maybe I forgot some fluids. Already bookmarked. This one. Bookmarked. If I forgot any fluid. Guess I will find out if I forgot any fluid. Okay. Now. The actual components. This one. Here. Bookmarked. New one. Okay, bookmark. That was the motor. Pump. Again, this. Everything else is bookmarked. I may multiply those later. Okay, that was the pump. Regulator, another day. Conveyor. Already everything bookmarked. Conveyor. Piston. This one probably has a couple of gears. Already bookmarked earlier. Okay. Next. This one. Okay. That was a piston. Robotic arm. I have everything. Fire generator. For this one, I need this one is already bookmarked, so nothing. Emitter requires. Oh, this one is new. Okay. And finally, this one. Nothing new with this one. Okay. Now, let's see which one of those can be multiplied. 64. This one, the biggest one is 8. 64, nothing exceeds 64. This one can be multiplied. 32 is the biggest one so far. Okay, here. This one, big 32, 64. Okay, meanwhile, here. This one can be multiplied a little bit. Okay, 64. You must be careful not to do anything with more than 64. Otherwise, it's going to mess up everything. 64. This one, 64 is fine wire. 64. 64 metallic. Okay. Must be careful not to go beyond 64 with anything. 64. Okay, looks fine. Okay. I need 3 more of those. And then I have to make patterns for all of that. And done. Okay, I'm going to start deploying the stuff. So, motors will probably be done like here. Oh, how did I manage it last time? Maybe I could spread all of those. Also, UEV stuff will be here. Multiply patterns because that way HU uses less coprocessors, but most importantly because there is a less chance of assembly line shutting on and off to change a recipe. Like, it's not much about the ticks lost, but I think it works better. if I make the assembly line works more time on the same recipe. Now, motors are probably one thing I want in each assembly line. So 1, 2, 3. And on those, I'm going to spread those a little bit everywhere. So 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Okay, later on I will copy paste. Okay, let's get the last data sticks. This one here, and then let's start with the stuff. So this one should multiply all of those two here. But at that point, with frame boxes, it's kind of a tradition to go like that. Late one. Is that the only? No, I also need screws. Screws should be multiplied. Round here. Other things done inside a lathe. Think nothing. Do I have? Oh, I can magnetize it first. Wait, I have to magnetize it first. That's super weird. I would expect the magnetization to be after making the rod, not first, but okay. Don't see anything else here that is supposed to be done in a lathe, so that's probably all of it. Okay, that was the last data stick. Okay, those things go inside the lathe. You know what? I still have this one. I'm going to give a purpose to this one. It's low tier stuff anyways. How slow? Well, this one has perfect overclock. Okay, then long rod. I have a pattern for it. No other long rods. So this one. What is long rod? Yeah. Okay. Then here small. Here big. So small gear is always this, big gear is always that. Okay. Rotor. Okay, let's put those. Rotor. Gear big, gear small. Done. Search. Okay, I'm done with the data sticks. I'm going to put those in their place. So here. Okay, now nugget. Let's do it this way. Okay. Oh, molecular assembler. I was out of slots. But I can easily get more here. Should get another molecular assembler here. Separation cards. Why do I have none? Okay, this one goes here. Come on. Get me acceleration cards. Is that one like a single blocks mixer or what? Why is it so slow? Oh, the hell. Okay, I have to build the hellforges now. That is top priority. Okay. Okay, this one was clogged. Now it's working. Okay, top priority right now. Oh, it's also working. Cool. Top priority right now is getting more hellforges running. So I'm going to do that. Then I will go back to UEV parts. The chest is here. Okay. This one. So started a row here. This one probably somewhere in there. No, wait. It has to be aligned. Perfect. Okay. I have way more blocks to collect. Okay. Finish this one. Did it get me a controller? Yes. Probably. That one was supposed to be built like this. Oh, I was out of comparators. Comparator. Okay. Oh no, I messed it up. Yeah, no, that's messed up. Animation is glitched as usual, but whatever. If I copy paste, it copies the burning animation. Okay, the one was supposed to be here like that. Perfect. Okay, should still be chunk loaded. Okay, now this one goes like that. Did I remove the wrong bricks? Yes. Here. Okay, last me. Oh no, I placed the hatches in the wrong places. Hopefully didn't misplace anything else. Hopefully. I really hope it didn't place random hatches wherever it wanted. Yes, here. Did I not paste? Oh, this one is out of... Ah, it's messed up. Okay. Okay. Let's rebuild everything again. And I'm going to lose the glass. Whatever. Okay. This one, this one, this one. Here. Here, here, here. And this one. So it has to go one block more forwards. Yeah. Okay. Only controller must be kept. Everything else removed. Okay. Yep. Yep. Here. Yes. I'm probably out of glass now. We'll have to recraft it. Here, 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 here. This one. Here, here, here. Okay. Good. Okay, before I do this, I want to paste the logic here. There. Okay, seems to be correct. I must not have hatches in my inventory or it's going to do messed up things. Seems correct. Here, then. I want to use those here. So, yep. Duct tape, one tube. Here. One here. Here. No. Ah. Okay. Should have more blocks in the chest. And probably avoided some glass. So first of all, stop this. This one. Yeah, there is some glass missing. It was some of this. I think it was only this one divided the glass. Come on. Oh, this one is still made by EBFs. Whatever is a low tier material. And okay, I already got it. Okay. Good. Leftovers can go here now. There are a couple of blocks missing on the hand. So, one. Okay, does that form? Okay, it's missing the energy hatches. Oh, it's formed. It's formed. No, this one not. This one is formed. This one not. What could be wrong on this one? Maybe something in here. Did any block get removed on this one? Oh yeah, those. There's a alloy here. Is that it? Yes. Okay. UHV. Let's show. 16 amps. Here. So. 2, 1, 2. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Stellarium here. There's one here. Okay, just because why not, I'm going to connect this one to here, here. Okay, so theoretically it's all done. I only have to get those. The things on this hatch are inverted. Oh. Didn't copy this. This. Yeah. Here. Okay, this one. Here. Auto pull. Auto pull. Auto pull. Auto pull. This one. Here. And this one. Okay. So I only have to connect it, I think. This one is inputs. Here. Here. This one is fuel. Here. Here. Okay, running and should turn on soon. Perfect. Our hellforge is working. Cool. Okay, it's heating up, and then it will start crafting as soon as it reaches temperature. On 900 megakelvin is the target probably. Okay, maybe now. Oh, wait. Why? Stop burning. No, I need the magma, the coil. I need more of those first. Something off. Why does it not start? Whoa. This one is working. Why does it not? Are those comparator in the wrong? Oh, I'm missing that thing. That's what I was missing. That was the issue. The redstone. Luckily I checked. Like, if I didn't stay here and check, it would have burned all of my fuel like that. Luckily I stayed there and checked it. Let's see. This stuff, come on. Okay, first one almost done. Yeah. I got it. I forgot. How long does it take to craft? A little bit. Still trying to get my first magmada ingot, by the way. What are those even working on? Yeah, at the beginning I didn't have blocking mode, so a lot of things sneaked inside. Okay, I got the first one. Okay. So now we should stop at almost 900 megabytes. Okay, and the second one too. Here. Okay. Okay, 700. Should stop at the 900s. X65, and now we should. Oh, come on. Okay. And now it's crafting. Good. Magma alloy plate. Plasma. Perfect. Okay. Now. Also, to make it work better, I could add one extra redstone step to make it work a little bit better, probably. It will use one bucket less, but it's not a big deal. Or maybe I could make more hellforges, I thought. Yeah, first of all, I'm going to complete this stuff. Then I will. I know what. Should make sure right away. Okay, it took too much to calculate. I'm afraid. Okay, I'm going to do this off stream. Off stream, I will calculate. Yeah, kind of guessed it. Delayed the game materials basically. Okay, wire mill 3. Wire mill 3. Wire mill 3. If those become too slow, I will move. This is the HV or perfectly overclocking. If it is too slow, I will move it to the batch thing. Now ring. Okay, 2 rings. 1 and 2. Double plate. This one. Okay, double plate here. Then foil here. Okay. Fluid extractor. Where is ingot? Ingot. This one. Ingot. Those are things I want to multiply. Let's do 64. Also, I have to check how much space I have in HU, because every time I multiply patterns like that, it will always craft leftovers, and I need storage for all of those. Okay, I still have a couple of cells. I need more storage. I don't remember why here I splitted those two. Omega. Let's get 10 of those here. And here too. Okay. Then. Okay, back to things. Cables. 1, 2. This one is wire. This one is another wire mill. I will reach us soon. Wire 1. Wire 2. Cable machine is that one. What does it mean you can't automate it? Yeah, this one. Those things are always annoying. I'm leaving it last. I'm going to finish the other things, then I will see what it wants me to do. Okay, small pipe and normal pipe. Normal pipe. Small pipe. Didn't I do that one? Yeah, I did this one. This one never got chance to get it. Here should have probability match. This one. Okay, this one is the thing you were warning me about. This one is injection mixing UV. Okay. Let's see what those things are. Okay, 16 at a time inside the injection mixer. Yeah, maybe I need more of those. It's starting to get used quite a lot. Oh, I even have a subnetwork. That makes it super easy to parallelize more machines together. It's not working now. Oh, okay. Well, first, Flerborium here. Okay, we'll see. How long before Eta 3 comes out? Am I going to finish this pack before Eta 3 comes out? Here. Now. Okay, this one is done. This thing. Yeah, I don't know if it will make sense to update at this point. Okay, so basically it's only obtained by those things in the nether. So this one. Okay, those are things that grow in the nether, right? And you said it can't be... Okay, 1 to 1. 1 to 1 block. 1 block. Why can't you loop those? Can I not just work? What prevents me? Like, I can just loop this thing, no? Oh, wait, this thing. Okay, it's getting annoying. I mean, red one. This one? What is the red one? Wait, I don't understand. What is a red one? Red one. Oh, is there a conflict? Two recipes that make the same thing. Is that the issue? Oh, is that the conflicting recipe that causes issues? Okay, there is a way of making it work, I think. Like, if I have an ULV output bus, I make sure I always leave one of those inside. Maybe it somehow recipe locks. But probably not. Also, it's annoying. Okay, how much of this stuff am I going to need anyways? So, industrial bar. Also, it has to go inside the nether. This one is a huge machine. Huge, I mean. Okay, not that huge. Is that the green grass that I saw in the nether, or is it a different block? Is it just that grass, or is it different? Hang on there. Okay, 27, 23, 4, 34, 12, 28. Open. Okay, it's opening. So, I don't know. Is it just this stuff here? Is it this thing? I think it's just this. Ender pearl here. So let's go in that direction. Okay, let's go there. Okay, I have a path to go there, not a path to go there. It's a little bit not easy to work. Okay, let's see. Okay, how do I cross this mess? Okay, I'm not going to throw where I don't have good vision. Joking. There. Okay. Let's see. The only issue is fall damage. Here. Please don't make me. That was close. I mean, I have fire resistance maximum, so it's not an issue, but... Okay. This one is the thing. So. Is that a neutronium gractaxite iron? Inbar, sterling, rose gold. Why do I not see neutronium? Oh, neutronium, perfect. And all of the things I don't have sticks. Here. Okay. Wait, this one doesn't? Oh, come on. I thought it has the ring. Oh, it's already a blue. Okay, that's easy. How many of those things am I going to need? Also, can I silk touch? I'm not going to bother. Can I cultivate those trees in normal dimension, or is it an issue? Can I just cultivate this one? Doesn't work. Okay, you can. That one is the plant. I'm not getting any seed here. Does the site... How do I get saplings? Rough iron, titanium cutter. How do I get saplings? Oh, you... Oh, that's... Oh, that's annoying then. So basically it's just whatever I can collect here and nothing else. Saplings included. They grow from which fungus? Okay, whatever. Here. Right. Wrapped fungus. This one. Okay, are you saying 1000 because that's more or less what I will need to complete the pack, or what is the 1000 for? Well, I'm here going to collect a lot. How much is one inventory even? I don't know. Just throwing in each. Okay, I already got 2000. Okay. Here. This one. Have to clean up the ground. Okay. Why does the fire not go away? Okay. I have a lot of fire resistance. Didn't expect it. I don't know well enough how it works. Someday I have to do a vanilla run. Haven't played vanilla in too long. Here. What are those? Ah, are useless. Here. This one. Here. I have 4,000s. Let's collect. Oh, there is so much in there. Here. Here. There. Here. 5,000s. GTNH made me. I like grindy games, by the way, if you couldn't tell. I don't mind going around collecting stuff like that mindlessly. It's a little bit relaxing too. I'm tired from my job. Oh, yeah, I'm sleepy. Here. How many saplings? I have 74 saplings too. Good. Here. Okay, probably I'm going to call this good enough soon. Okay, that's another thing I could do off stream probably. But yeah, quite easy to collect tens of thousands is easy, tens of thousands maybe not as much. It's never enough. I'm going to do twice than what people tell me to do. I'm going to do probably like 20 hellforges in this pack. I got told, I don't remember. I asked on Discord, I don't remember how much I got told. I was already typing I'm going to do. I was waiting for an answer and like I asked how many I should do. While someone was giving me an answer, I was already typing I'm going to make and I was waiting to double his number. Okay. Here. You never have enough things in RegTech. Except then when you have too many, but you know, RegTech. Here. Okay, this is probably enough for now. Yeah, maybe I will get more stream. Oh, I can leave this one here, and I have to go all of the way there for my armor. Under pearl, this one. Can you? I don't know what happens. I don't know what I can say. Here. Okay. Got there. Give me my armor. Here. Yeah, I should get travel and anchors only for that. No, wait. Fixed. No longer an issue. I like to fly around. Okay. Now, in all of that, still, like those things are still working on the things that got inserted before I build. Like, there are like 2 recipes in there at least still working. And those are working recipes, right? Those are not randomly burning fuel. Yeah, making starium. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare 4 more. Can I? It took so long to calculate. I'm afraid of starting this recipe. I want to see the circuits. 1,000. How many? Maybe I should increase the level maintainer of circuits. Only 48. Okay, UEV. I want to see UV circuits. Can I look? For this is the complete hellforge structure. Yeah, it's long. Yeah, okay, I'm not even going to bother scrolling all of it. Too long. Okay. Anyways, I got all of that just so I could get this material. I don't remember why was I even doing this. I forgot what was this for. I remember that dust. Wait, I need a macerator in the nether. How annoying. I'm going to use the overclockable. Okay, quick while it's still open. Did I get a wireless hatch here? Yeah, here, but I don't want to chunk load more stuff, so I'm going there. Okay, travel anchors, that was a good idea. Here, here. Let's get a bunch of those. Okay, I'm going to do portal. Okay. Now, I don't know how much range those have. You should not care about if unless you are the developer of this pack, you should not be worrying about if I'm having fun in this pack. Fun is subjective. You should try to guess if you could like it by looking at me, or you should play it yourself. Like, me having fun should not be the reason why you start playing this pack. Here. Is that too far? Oh no. What if I use this? Why did this one move here? Oh, come on. What's the range of those things? Okay, so I think I should keep it like here. Okay. Alright then. Oh, there is a range upgrade? I have no idea which upgrade it could be. Ender IO. Is it Ender IO the mod? Oh, it's travel. Is Ender IO still a thing? Yeah, no, I'm not going to bother. Oh, wait, it's a quest thing. Do I have to use quests to get those? Nah, I'm too lazy. Also, even if I use the range upgrade, do I still hit in the rendering range, or how does it even work? Like, what happens if I move outside of the rendering range? There, good enough. No. Oh, okay. Locked means I can change name. Now wait, how did I name this? Ah, what the stick? Okay. Which was the last number? Sure. Stop moving my things. And this one is machines. Lock. Okay. Now, I'm going to use this macerator. F3. Okay, it's within chunk. This one here is the main network. Pattern provider here. This one, macerator. No. Here. Okay, may as well leave it in there now. Which energy do I have available? Where is the energy hatch here? It's on top, isn't it? Wait. Oh, I never connected this one. This one was for the better nether star recipe. Stellarium here. 16 amps here. This one here. Here. Converter here. Here. Point. This one. This one. Here. Here. Okay. Then this one uses blue steel. Blue steel. Maintenance. Here. This one. Okay. Input bus. Here. This one. Here. Here. This one, and then output ME. Okay, that should work. How is that thing called? This. Okay, works. Okay. My armor can go back. Doesn't here. Okay. Okay, all of that for the nether star. I don't remember why I needed that nether star, but whatever. Magma. Still didn't get any. I have 32. What is this? Abydos. Oh, the issue is the drilling rigs. This one can't. Is that really working on IV? There is nothing I can do to speed it up. I'm probably passively. Yeah, I'm passively turning it into this one. I may be making too much. Something may went wrong. I think there's something wrong with this. Should be one of those two. No, those two. Yeah, this one is depleting the wall vein. And then this one is the one which can't keep up. Also have a lot of this. Maybe I can shut those two off. Hopefully I won't regret shutting off those two. At least it will stop moving like that. Not to let it some time to buffer. Hopefully we'll remember to turn on. Okay, when I do these kind of things, I do weird things. That is to remember me. Like, I will notice this thing and I will remember there is something off. Okay, so it doesn't look too weird. Okay, that is to remind me there is something off there. Okay, so this one was to produce the kind of quantum star, nether star, head star. No? This one, hellish star. Okay, and this one, what was it for? Okay, I was just preparing things. It's not needed yet. Okay. So I think I'm going to set up. I'm going to prepare four more hellforges. Okay. And it's probably going to take a long time. And I'm probably going to quit here. For today, I'm probably going to quit here. Tomorrow, and maybe those on stream, maybe off stream, I don't know. But probably I'm going to finish those off stream. If I'm only going to copy paste those multi-blocks, I'm probably going to do that off stream. And I don't know what else. TPS not doing good. Probably I should upgrade those to the other version. Yeah, if I remove all of those and those maybe. But it's probably not that the issue. The issue is most likely assembly lines at this point. I don't know. Don't forget Magmada coils. Oh, okay, off stream. Yeah, I will see. Depending on how much time I find, I will see what I will do on stream, what off stream. Are those coils? Okay, this one is not too fast, but I think the main issue is just the Magmada. The Magmada itself is probably going to be the main issue. Also, I would like to complete those quests. Well, I crafted all of those. I only have to complete the quest. Okay. Okay. For today, that's it. Tomorrow we'll see what I manage to off stream. If I find like 10 free minutes, I'm going to build a little bit. I don't know. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.